think again. Meet the monster who trains beyond the limits. A man whose training is so intense and so relentless that scares even the top athletes. Even legends like Jay Cutler and Ronnie Coleman know there's a certain level of force that can push anyone to the breaking point. But this beast, he lives at that breaking point. This is the kind of training that separates the strong from the unstoppable. This is training at its most extreme. This is what it means to be hardcore.
Metroflex Gym, built inside an old warehouse, produced many of Texas's greatest bodybuilders, including the great Ronnie Coleman, 8-time Mr. Olympia. Now it serves as a training camp for Branch Warren.
Nothing in my life has ever come easy. Nothing. Everything I ever got, man, I haven't had to do is work for it. I've had to bust my ass for it. I learned if you work hard, you can be successful. There's no substitute for hard work. The pain and the sacrifice, the sweat, all the hard work, man. When they announce you winner, it's all worth it. If you're motivated enough, you want something bad enough, you can overcome anything.
Branch Warren is the guy who, to me, has a work ethic that's just different. Not saying guys like Ronnie or Dorian didn't work hard, they absolutely did. But Branch, he is a different breed.
The key to bodybuilding is intensity.
What you gonna do?
People say, well, why do you train so hard?
Yeah.
Because if I didn't train like that, I would have never won anything.
Come on, Branch. Don't make it easy. Come on. Come on. All right, boy. Yeah. Hold that, baby. Big bang. Get up.
Bodybuilding is not just about building muscle. The other thing it taught me was a self-discipline. You know, you wake up in the morning, you're dead tired, you're sore, you don't want to go to the gym. You want to win, right? The best thing to do is take action. There's dreamers and then there's doers. You look at all the top grade bodybuilders, they all train with high intensity, they train heavy. Jay trained heavy, he trained intense. Ronnie did it. Dorian did it. Haney did it. I train by feel, you know, I feel my muscle working. The more it burns, the madder I would get. And I'll just keep going. It's like a war against the weights. Is this weight gonna beat me or am I gonna beat the weights?
How about you wanna win?